In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Airtable marketing plan using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This is where you will give Claude the full instruction for building your marketing planning system directly inside Airtable. In the chat, paste this prompt exactly as written. Create a marketing planning system directly in my Airtable using the integration. Build tables for campaigns, tasks, and timelines with fields for plan name, channel, status, priority, owner, start date, end date, and notes. Include structured planning workflow and ensure everything is fully configured and ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to process the request and create the setup through the Airtable integration. The goal here is to have Claude generate a complete and organized base that is ready for marketing planning without needing to build each table manually. Next, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Once you are inside, look for the newly created base that contains your marketing plan. Claude should have created the structure for you based on the prompt you provided. Open the Campaigns table first. Review the fields and make sure everything has been added correctly. You should see fields such as plan name, channel, status, priority, owner, start date, end date, and notes. This table will help you organize the main campaigns in your marketing plan. Then move to the Tasks table. Check that the same core structure is in place where needed, and confirm that the fields were created properly. This table is useful for breaking larger campaigns into smaller action items, so your planning stays detailed and manageable. After that, verify the timeline setup. Look closely at the start date and end date fields and make sure they are configured correctly. These fields are important because they allow you to track when campaigns and tasks begin and when they are expected to finish. Now review the workflow structure. Check that the status and priority options are working properly and make sure they fit a clear planning process. This helps keep your team organized and makes it easier to monitor progress across different campaigns and tasks. Once everything looks correct, you can begin using the base for real planning. Start adding campaigns, assign tasks, fill in owners, and set timelines based on your marketing goals. With the structure already in place, it becomes much easier to manage and update your plan over time. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.